Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Lift the wiper arms. Pinch with 2 fingers the 2 plastic tabs located on both sides of the arm, then slide the blade outwards to remove it. To put in place the new wipers, slide them down the arm of the wiper and clip it. Delicately place it down on the windscreen. Lift the windscreen wiper, then turn the blade 45 degrees. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.